Hi y'all, Beth here. Welcome to the second half of this summer term. We've got 4 weeks left. We are going to be spending all 4 of these weeks on your research paper. We've been talking about this research paper in general terms all term. It's in your syllabus. I've mentioned it to many of you, talked to you about possible topics, and now it's time to start working on it in earnest. So in week 5, I'm opening up the entire 4 weeks for y'all so you can figure out your schedules for the rest of the summer. I know many of you are busy working with family, other obligations, so I want to make sure that you have plenty of time to do a good job and finish strong in this class. So week 5, we've got the formal proposal. You see I'm on the Moodle page here. Our schedule is changing now. Still, nothing is due except on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, but this time, nothing is due on Wednesday. Nothing at all on Wednesday. Don't worry about Wednesday. Enjoy your Wednesday night. Go out and have pizza. Your proposal for your research paper is due on Friday. I want you to have plenty of time to think about it this week, to get an idea of what you want to spend a month working on. For heaven's sakes, you don't want to get bored. I've given you possible topics. I've given you a sample proposal. And then I divided y'all into groups earlier this term and then decided not to because I think y'all get along really well as a big group. But I put you into groups again, the same groups for most of the time for you for the peer editing. So I'd like you to see, make sure you're in a group, make sure I've spelled your name correctly. I was going really fast. I hope I didn't misspell a name. Goodness, my name is misspelled often. So my apologies if it is. And you might want to contact your group members just to say, hey, here I am. Then I won't. So Friday and Sunday are the only days I have assignments for this week. Friday, your proposal, and on Sunday, your works cited draft. This doesn't have to be your completed works cited, but it needs to show me that you're starting to do your research so that I can help you. I'm not going to grade it harshly. I'm going to be looking for format. I've given you lots and lots of information resources about it, but I'm mainly going to be looking to see if I can help you with more. Then next week we've got the research paper rough draft that's going to be due on Friday. So you have actually 2 solid weeks, well, almost, sorry, excuse me, to work on your rough draft, and then to be shared with Google Docs through your group members. And then week 7, oh, we're already in August here, aren't we? I want you to comment on at least 2 of the rough drafts by Wednesday, and then your research paper itself is due on Friday. Okay, so you've got plenty of time to do it, but you need to get started now. Then week 8, which is the last week of the term, perspectives on the term, I've got 3 assignments for you. The first one is I want you to translate your research paper into something multimodal. That means it can use words, but something else, maybe a cartoon, maybe a drawing, maybe a graph, maybe a letter to the editor that's a different use of words. Something like that. You can look very carefully at my instructions. Also, I'm asking y'all, since we've spent the entire term talking about social media, would you like to do without social media for 8 hours, 4 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours? You don't have to, but I'd like you to at least write me at least a little bit about why you chose to or chose not to. I have had many interesting accounts from students, everything from fingers twitching to people going, it's no big deal. I'd love to hear what you think. And then I'd like a self-evaluation. So I've got the multimodal assignment that's due on Wednesday of the last week, week 8. The eFast response, you don't have to do it, but you need to write to me why you chose to or not to. And then your self-evaluation on Sunday. That's a lot, but hey, we've been doing good so far, and let me know if I can help.